If you have an intention to make a difference in the world and you are unsure where to start, it is okay to not know. Take a moment and just feel the earth beneath your feet though. Like wiggle your toes, notice the room that you're standing in, and remember that the only place you're going to start a journey is exactly where you're standing the moment you decide to go on a journey. Now, it sounds like your role right now is really going to be about getting more specific with yourself about what you want that journey to look like. And you can do this by asking yourself a question like, what are the problems in the world that I'm most passionate about solving? And if you're unsure, you can take it further and ask, okay, what are the problems in the world that I've been directly impacted by that I want to find solutions for? Maybe it's climate change, maybe it's, social justice or hunger, poverty. Whatever it might be is going to help to guide you on finding the right gap year activities, internships, and opportunities that are going to support you to keep developing, to give back in the ways that are most important for you.